Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Eka Apriani. I am from Management Class 24A and my NPM 2441152. In this video, I will presentation about materi basic concept, meaning, and models of leadership. Leadership is an essential aspect of human life, whether in organization, communities, or everyday interaction. In reality, everyone has the potential to become a leader within their own scope. Though it is material, we will explore the fundamental concept of leadership, its deeper meaning, and the various leadership models that have developed in both academic studies and then real-world practice. Definition of leadership. Leadership can be understood as the ability of an individual to influence, guide, and motivate others to work together toward shared goals. In this sense, leadership is not merely about authority or formal position, but about how someone builds meaningful relationship and creates a positive impact of their interaction with others. The essence of leadership. At its core, leadership is about trust and influence. A good leader is not respected simply because of their title, but because of their integrity and example. They are able to inspire others, provide clear direction, and encourage people to grow and contribute at their best. Leadership as a social process. Leadership is a dynamic social process that emerges through interaction among individuals. It involves communication, exchange of ideas, and involving relationship. Leadership is not rigid, it is flexible and shaped by situation, cultural context, and then the characteristic of the people involved. Next, the purpose of leadership. The main purpose of leadership is to achieve shared goals effectively and sustainability. However, good leadership just be one result. It also value the process, ethical principles, and the well-being of team members. Success is not only measured by outcome, but also by the quality of relationship built along the way. The role of a leader. A leader plays multiple roles that complement each other. They act as a visionary who sets direction, a decision maker who determines strategies, and then a facilitator who supports team development. In addition, a leader should be an empathic listener who understands the need and aspiration of others. The meaning of leadership. The true meaning of leadership just for one leading others. It is about responsibility, service, and commitment to creating positive change. A unique leader does not focus solely on personal success, but on how they can contribute to the growth and well-being of others. Leadership in everyday life. Leadership is not limited to formal organization or position. In everyday life, leadership can be seen in simple actions such as taking initiative, helping others, or setting a good example. This shows that leadership is something everyone can practice in their daily interaction. Classical leadership theories. Classical leadership theories, such as trait theory, suggest that leaders are born with certain characteristics that set them apart. However, this perspective has been criticized for being too simplistic, as it overlooks the influence of environment, learning, and experience in shaping leadership abilities. Modern leadership theories. Modern leadership theories view leadership as a combination of personal trait, behavior, and situational factor. This approach is more flexible and realistic, recognizing that there is no single leadership style that fits all situations. Leadership must be adaptive and responsive to changing conditions. Transformational leadership model. Transformational leadership focus on the ability of leaders to inspire and create positive change. Leaders with this style typically have a strong vision, motivate others effectively, and encourage team members to set their own expectations. This model is especially relevant in time of change and complexity. Transactional leadership model. Transactional leadership emphasizes that exchange relationship between leaders and followers, such as reward for good performance and consequence for unmet expectation. While it may seem structured and rigid, this model is effective in maintaining order, clarity, and short-term goal achievement. Servant leadership model. Servant leadership places the need of others at the center of leadership. In this model, leaders prioritize supporting, empowering, and developing their team members. It emphasizes empathy, care, and strong human relationship as the foundation of effective leadership. Comparison of leadership model. Each leadership model has its own strength and focus. Transformational leadership emphasizes inspiration and change. Transactional leadership focus and structure and then performance, while servant leadership highlight service and human connection. No single model is universally superior, as effectiveness depends on context and organizational need. Conclusion. Leadership is a complex and multidimensional process. Understanding this basic concept, meaning, and various models help individuals develop a more thoughtful and then adaptive leadership style. Ultimately, effective leadership is about balancing goal achievement with unique care for people. Okay, Al, thank you very much for watching this video. See you in next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Saatnya sudah acuhkan tadi. Terima kasih dan jumpa lagi.